Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 restoration. Working on the 57 Chevy door tonight. So here we are, and I've got these panels that I've ordered, right? The same patch panels everybody else orders for door inners. And what I noticed is that this is actually flanged to slide up under. And and then you have some oddness down here. This doesn't exactly match anything. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to make a jog cut here and cut this out because I got this trimmed off plenty long here. And then I might have to pound just a little bit of these flat. But I'm going to try to actually slide the flange up under like it's supposed to be. But it might require some, slitting here or there. And then, but down here, what I noticed is that this is actually made to fit in the notch of the panel. And so instead of sliding this under, I'm going to put it up here. I'll hammer this flat. I'll split it here, hammer this flat. And then that should slide up and butt here. And then I'm going to leave a flange here. And then that should give me a decent fit. And I'll be able to put some screws in it or clecos. I actually have some clecos, but probably I'll just use screws because screws might draw it a little tighter. So trying to get it in fit, but I mean, it's not bad. If you look down here, this is the edge of the original door skin. Now this is not my original door. The original door was too bad a shape to be repaired. So I figured I got this one. I'm gonna give this one a whack. It's got, it's not perfect, but it's going to do for what I'm doing for a driver. So, but it is still a lot of work to go through to make it even a driver. So, but this is what we're doing tonight. Finally getting on with some metal work on the project. Boy, she's been hot here lately. It's well into the been 100 and then in 90s, high 90s most of the week. So, but I got myself a shield and an apron and cutting with the grinder. So, but I'm glad to finally get this underway. I had to make me a better extension cord to run out here to the carport because the thing is won't run my welder very well. The other one's too light, so I'm going to try to alleviate that. I got a piece of big Romex here, as you can see on the floor. I made a cord out of it, so hopefully that'll give me enough amperage to run my welder. And so anyways, that's what we're working on tonight. And I hope you guys are having good luck with your projects. This is nice to be on this thing finally and getting something done. So I think this might be a few day project though, it's these things are not easy at all. So but talk to you guys later. Keep the rubber side down.